What's up? It's Wandering Aquatics here today, and I wanted to do a video on salt dip to get rid of pesky aquarium snails. So let's get to it. Alright, so all you're going to need for this project is, of course, you need your plants right here. You need some aquarium salt, works the best. You can use other salts, but aquarium salt's probably the safest. You need yourself some measuring cups, and you need something to dip the plants in. Alright, so what you're going to do first is you're going to fill up your container with not super hot, not super cold water. So fill it up. Alright, so once you fill it up, you take your aquarium salt here, and you want to do, for every gallon of water you have, you want to do a cup of salt. So I have about a half gallon here of water, and so I'm going to use half a cup of salt. Alright, so we got our half cup here, and all you do is you just take your salt, now you just have to wait for the salt, making a real mess. You just have to wait for the salt to dissolve, and then you'll be good to go. Alright, so it took about 15 minutes for it to fully dissolve. And so now that's fully dissolved, you take your plant, the one that you suspect that has the pest snails on it, and depending on your type of plant, if it's more hardier, you want to put it in there longer. If it's more sensitive, quicker is better. And if it's a root plant, which this one's a stem plant, but if it's a root plant, keep the roots out of it. It won't hurt it too much if it does, but if it is a super sensitive plant, it could really hurt it. But yeah, so you just take your plant, and then you dip it in the solution for about 10 to 15 seconds. You make sure it all gets in there. Alright, so now it's there. So then all you do now is you rinse it off. And so after you put it through that, then you just put it through some regular water and rinse off all the salt on it. So that way none of the salt gets back into your aquarium. And if you really want to, you could run it through salt again, but I think it's good for you. So yeah, the reason that salt dip works so well is it does basically what it does to land snails and slugs, is that it will dehydrate them off of it. And so it works basically the same. And so thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.